Let this sentence strike fear in anyone who thinks it is okay to hurt another person. Abusers, your time is up.
Courageous, very strong words from Needham's Aly Raisman.
The Olympic gold medalist addressed the team doctor who molested dozens of young gymnasts. Katie Brace joins us now. And Katie, this was a powerful message.
Lisa and David, Aly Raisman tore into her abuser, Larry Nassar, and the organizations she says should have protected the athletes.
You are so sick, I can't even comprehend how angry I feel when I think of you.
Olympic gymnast Aly Raisman showed her strength in a Michigan courtroom.
I am here to face you, Larry, so you can see I've regained my strength, that I'm no longer a victim, I'm a survivor.
Raisman was not originally slated to speak at Dr. Larry Nassar's sentencing for sexually abusing the female athletes he treated. She says after watching the victim impact statements, she wanted to add her voice.
This group of women you so heartlessly abused over such a long period of time are now a force, and you are nothing.
Nassar is accused of abusing more than 140 girls as the team doctor for USA Gymnastics and Michigan State. Raisman's teammate Jordan Weber also decided this week to testify, joining 105 of Nassar's victims speaking before a judge. It was the first time she publicly came forward.
The current and future gymnasts do not deserve to live in anxiety, fear, or be unprotected like I was.
The star athletes say the organizations tasked with protecting them failed.
And both USA Gymnastics and the United States Olympic Committee have been very quick to capitalize and celebrate my success. But did they reach out when I came forward? No.
Raisman vows to make sure there is never another Nassar.
Larry, I have both power and voice, and I am only beginning to just use them.
Raisman wants an independent investigation into how Nassar was allowed to abuse athletes for decades. A judge will sentence him next week. David.
All right. Thank you, Katie.